Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just about 9:30 in Honolulu, 3:30 in New York. It is Wednesday, November 28th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Nice upside spike across the board in the precious metals markets, except for platinum today, with Chairman Powell making statements that were construed as much more dovish than statements that came out last month. Gold basis December currently up $8.70 at $12.2210. We did send out a special trade alert this morning. Traders taking the call are in roughly at $12.1880. We also added to our position by adding to that February, and February is currently at $12.2830. Silver, nice upside spike, 21-cent gain, $14.30. But the big mover today has to be palladium as it goes closer and closer to parity with gold. Now within striking distance, $1163.80, up $38 on the day. Now, once Powell spoke, it put tremendous pressure on the U.S. dollar, which had been trading fractionally higher. Dollar is currently down 62 points and at 96.66. The equities markets is still open and trading, but a tremendous move to the upside. Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining 520 points, 25,268. We had the S&P gaining almost 2%, and also the NASDAQ Composite gaining over 2% on the day at 72.51. Traders, the markets were fast and they were furious today, with gold currently up $9.20 at $12.2260. We went long the December contract at $12.1880, so we've got a couple of dollars on the trade, and I did recommend adding to that position. We're going to be a little bit more aggressive with this position because I believe that we have formed a base and are headed higher in terms of gold pricing. You would have added to your February contract. We'll pull that up, which is currently at $12.2890, roughly in the same area. Now, in terms of the marketplace itself, as we spoke about over the last couple of days, what is significant to me is the fact that we've got a critical area of support, 1217, 1218. We flushed that out, traded below that yesterday. Today, we're well back above that price point. One of the reasons we got in at 1880 is we got in on the breakout after the market moved up and moved above this key level. The other thing that is extremely noteworthy as far as I'm concerned is the fact that we do have the 50-day moving average now crossing above the longer-term 100-day moving average. Traders, maintain your current long position in December and in February gold. Maintain your current stops. Traders, an extremely aggressive upside move in palladium today, gaining $37 on the day at $11.63, but more importantly, closing at the highest trading value in history, the former high, and that's why I've got this chart so compressed, that came in 2001. Well, we took that out with a fury at the midpoint of last year. Let's go ahead and uncompress the chart, and what you'll see is that today's move is a new all-time record high and record close. Previous to today's move was about 2 weeks ago, and it was just shy of this by about $10. Nonetheless, an extremely impressive day. And as I have been saying for quite some time, I do believe that palladium and gold prices will move to parity, meaning they'll be worth the same. And I think that palladium might, in fact, overtake gold in terms of pricing. Traders, lastly, a quick look at silver. Nice move, up about 21 cents. It's trading at $14.30 approximately, but I am still far from being neutral or bullish on silver. First of all, the major line in the sand for me is $15.25. That is this area that was former support that was broken. Once it came down and retested 14, what we're looking at is the fact that current pricing is still below all three moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200 day. For that reason, I am recommending that we stand on the sidelines of silver, concentrate on gold and for those that are playing palladium to continue to work with that precious metal. Interesting action in the marketplace today. Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, blinked by changing his stance in terms of being interest rate neutral and how close Fed funds rates are currently to that target. Last month, we were a ways away. Today, he made a statement basically saying that we're very close to interest rate neutral, certainly a much more dovish tone. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.